I use this method to add fog in all of my scenes. It adds depth and is very easy to control. Let's see how you can do the same in Blender. So here I have the simplified version of the same project I showed earlier. Now press Shift A, go to Image, Mesh Plane and add any of these fog alphas. You will also find loads of them on Google as well. So let's open it up, scale it up a bit. And now for the material, it's really simple. You can select the principal BSDF, delete it, plug this into a color ramp, add a mix shader node, plug this into the factor and now plug the shader into the surface. Now add a transparent BSDF, again press Shift A and add a emission BSDF. The emission goes in the second input and the transparent BSDF goes in the top one. And yeah, here we have set up our fog really easily. Now you can just move it back over here, increase the scale of it, maybe just move it back like this, and if we see through the camera, we have successfully created our fog and we can easily layer it this way as well. Now if you want to increase the brightness of the fog, you can increase the emission, like the emission strength. It will make it like really bright, and you can also control the color ramp to control the fall off of the fog. So it's like really easy to set up and also not really that resource intensive like we have with the volumetric fog. You can also select these all, duplicate them, and let's just press 7 for top view, bring them over here in the front. Let's move this down, and this way we can simply create like a layering effect. You can also change the color of the emission to something like blue to match the vibe of the scene. And yeah, with that we have created this very simple looking fog. You can also use different types of fog alphas to create like a different effect. As if I select this one, it will give me like a totally different effect. Obviously we do need to set it up a bit, but yeah, we can create like different looks with different types of fog alphas, and you can find loads of them on Google as well. So this was pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.